These are the ones I made a long time ago at the seaside, and you can see I made them from inside. They're bulging, and these are the three that I made on purpose as specimens to try doing the breaking, and they've turned into completely different creatures. Really, they're hefty. They were made very, very quickly. These are like boulders somehow, and these are more like some kind of contorted egg, I think. This is the sacrificial one that we're hoping to break. I'd like to make sure we bring out the mend, making do and mending in all this breaking. But I guess that's what's coming. With the idea of making something deliberately to break it, and the difficulty I was having with that. See, here's the other handle. These are obviously too heavy for this thread eventually. Pretending it's mended now. And waiting for this sort of storm that we're going to have to make happen. Changed into something else. Perhaps it's because it's so different from the way it was made. To put it back, it's so different. Coming like that. To be round again, are you? It goes definitely like that. Seems to push it up. somebody's missing. That's what must be missing. Shush, Todd. I quite like the idea of bashing it against a step or something. Just one hit and see. I quite like. I don't want it all into tiny bits, you know. I still want a big bit left. It's extraordinary, trying to control how things break. Mad. This is my smallest plate. That I dropped something on top of it, and it was my grandmother's plate, so a bit of me wants to mend it. A bit of me knows it's broken, and that's it. Oh look, it does go back though. I just touch them and they'll mend.